So guys, natutulog din ba kayo sa tanghali o may pinapatulog kayo na bata? Kagaya nito, batang to. Ha? Alam nyo ba, Mandy? Alam ba?
What?
That if you don't sleep in the afternoon, you're gonna have a twin. Except that your twin, whatever that is not human. It could be a dangerous creature. That's why lots of kids are sleeping in the afternoon. Do you know that? And they are growing inside you. Here! Slowly. And when you don't sleep for 3 days in the afternoon, when you wake up so early for the kids like you, they are growing. They're becoming stronger. They're becoming monstrous. And slowly, when you take a piece or poop, you will notice that there is something wrong with your poop.
But I just pooped.
And your poop is gonna be color like a black, made from the iron. It's so hard. It's hard because that monster inside you is gonna get you inside slowly but surely until your black eyes is all white. Now saying like this, kaya dapat ay palaging natutulog sa tanghali dahil ang lagim ay nangyayari kapag ang mga bata ay inaantok. At you are also going to be an elf. You're not gonna grow old, and you are going to the world of the goblin. Where the goblins are gonna lie to you, trick you, whatever, they're gonna fool you until you become them and your nose become as long as your feet, and after that you're gonna have tail. You thought that you are pooping, but that is a tail. And that is the reason why... Wala. Auntie, can you see that? No, it's your back. There, oh, the video. Can you see?
No!
There, oh. Let's see. There's something inside you.
No!
Yeah, here.
Oh,
Mandy.
okay.
There, don't be scared. Sapagkat ito ay ang hapon ng lagim. Ang mga katotohanan lamang ang ating sinasabi. At dapat ikaw ay maging matapang! At paano ka tatapang? Ikaw ay dapat matulog sa tamang oras! So guys, achieve! Wala pa naman ang Nobyembre. Oktubre pa lamang po. Pero nagsisimula na ang gabi ng